How to play our Cardinal whistle from Blue Bear Flutes. Basically, this is the mouthpiece. This most definitely is not. There's some sound holes on the side that you can use for your fingers, and you tweet as you blow. So you blow and let go, or you blow and cover. So you can hear a little friend in the background making fun of me as I've been playing it here for a few minutes. He really likes it. Anyway, easy enough. Like I say, just a burst of air, and you either cover or uncover. And then you learn to do that, consecutively, and eventually it's the easiest thing in the world to you. So I hope this has helped, and I hope to see you again very soon.